Can adding the water increases the ionization of an acid? It is happened in case of the weak acid. It is happened. How it will be happened? In the coming 3 minutes, I will give the proof mathematically how dilution will affect on the ionization. So for example, let us consider the one weak acid we can consider, that is called as a acetic acid. Here acetic acid I am taking the concentration is equal to C. I am taking concentration C. Degree of dissociation we can consider it as a alpha. So when the acetic acid like weak acid dissociated in the water, partially dissociated, H plus and acetate ions it will be forming. Initial concentration is C. H plus concentration is 0 before equilibrium is established. After the equilibrium established, what happened? C alpha dissociation is happened. Here also C alpha. Here C minus C alpha, now we can write as C minus 1 by alpha. So equilibrium is established. So equilibrium constant Ka, product upon the reactant, concentration directly can take C alpha, C alpha, C 1 minus alpha. Here C get cancelled. So you can write it as a C alpha square 1 minus alpha. Here is the important point. For weak acid, degree of dissociation is very less. So 1 minus alpha you can consider approximately 1. So now Ka is equal to C alpha square. Alpha is equal to root over Ka by C. Here is the formula. This is the important one. Alpha is equal to root over Ka by C. Ka is a constant. So alpha is equal to root over 1 by C. So concentration decreases, alpha will be increases. How concentration will be decreases? Concentration decreases on dilution, increases on dilution. So this is the proof. So here now how they will ask the question, they will give that Ka is equal to 10 to the power of minus 5, C is equal to 0.1, find out the alpha. We have to use the formula alpha is equal to root over Ka by C. Okay, 0.1. So alpha is equal to root over Ka is equal to 10 to the power of minus 5, 10 to the power of minus 1 here. So 10 to the power of A by B, 10 to the power of A minus B we can write. So 10 to the power of minus 5 minus 1. So we can write 10 to the power of minus 4, root 10 to the power of minus 4. So then alpha is equal 10 to the power of minus 2 here. So here that's I can write alpha is equal to 0.01. So percentage or 1% ionization will be there. So for example, C is equal to 0.1, alpha is equal to Ka is equal to 10 to the power of 8. What is the alpha? Comment your answer below.